Hey dinos, I'm so glad to see every one of your beautiful faces every week. Remember last week when we talked about how important water is for living things on Earth, like me? Did you know that glaciers cover large regions of land and hold about 69% of the world's freshest water? So the next time you look at your cup of water, it could have been inside a glacier. Isn't that cool? Now that we know a little fun fact about glaciers, it's on to our worksheet. Remember, there's a link below for you to print out the worksheet if you've forgotten. Now, you got this. I believe in you. First, rewrite our names. Take your time, there's no rush. Great job! Your letters are so perfect. Now, let's read the directions. Practice tracing the square. I see there's a lot of squares. We're going to practice tracing them so we know how to draw them by ourselves. First, I'm tracing it with red. What color did you choose to trace your square? That's a great color. My second square, I've chosen an aqua green. Orange is going to be my next square. How many sides does the square have? Can you guys remember from last time? Great job, it's 4. If you forget, you could count the sides. The next one is purple for me. What about you? What color did you choose? Oh, I like that color. I'm going to use it for my next square. Thanks for suggesting green. It's such a great color. Now that we're done tracing, it says draw something using the shape above. The shape above is a square. Can you think of something that is the shape of a square you could draw? If you can't, it's okay. You could just keep drawing more squares if you like. Can you guess what I'm drawing? Have you guessed it yet? I'll give you a clue. You can watch cartoons on them. Did you guess it yet? You guessed it, I drew a TV. I'm going to write TV. What did you draw using your square? I can't wait to see it. Oh, that's a great drawing. I'm so proud of every one of you. Now I'm going to color in the rest of the squares just for fun. The first square I'm coloring is red since I traced the square red. The second square I'm coloring blue. The third square orange. Now I'm coloring the next square purple. Since I traced the last square green, I'm going to color it green. Last but not least, Mr. Square. I'm going to color him light blue. Great job, dinos. I'm so proud of you all. You did such a great job. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode. Bye!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!